Hello and welcome back to Food and Finance with Shelley. Please sit back and relax for a few minutes while we debunk 3 financial myths and tell you about 3 types of salt food and finance devotees will all want in their kitchen. Myth number 1, all debt is bad debt. Now, some debt absolutely is not a great idea. Examples would be to carry high credit card balances or spend a house down payments worth on a new car when your current one is in good shape. Other debt sources, such as a mortgage that doesn't cost more than 15% of your income or investing in a growing business, can more than pay off down the road. Focusing solely on eliminating debt rather than balancing debt payoffs with contributing to savings and retirement accounts can mean you will have a much higher financial hill to climb when you get older. Every decision on where to put your money should be made objectively by weighing the costs versus benefits of each decision. What exactly is kosher salt? Is there a rabbi involved? I had to look it up. The original term came from the practice of observant Jews koshering their meat, which means using coarse grain salt, like kosher salt, to drain blood from the meat. Kosher salt has a larger crystal size, contains no additives like iodine, which table salt usually has, and mostly comes from rock salt deposits in salt mines. Kosher salt has many culinary applications, but 3 of the most common are salting pasta water, brining meat, and the rim of salt around a margarita glass. Financial myth number 2 is that Medicare will pay for your long-term care. Nope. While Medicare will pay for some rehab in a long-term facility or at home, that coverage is limited to a maximum of 100 days, includes co-pays, and requires a hospital stay of at least 3 days. There is that 3 again. Long-term care involves chronic need for help with activities of daily living, or ADLs, such as bathing, feeding, or dressing yourself. Or you could have cognitive decline, such as dementia or Alzheimer's, and need chronic care for that as well. Medicare funds health insurance, like what most people get from their jobs or private pay options. Okay, we've got some sea salt here, and sea salt has larger crystals like its kosher cousin, but it's more often used as a finishing salt, like with gourmet chocolates, rather than for cooking. As the name implies, sea salt comes from the ocean and contains nutrients and minerals like zinc and iron. Financial myth number 3 is that your income tax rates will be lower in retirement. That is the philosophy behind pre-tax retirement accounts like 401ks. Your income theoretically drops when you stop working because, you're not making all your salary. So your rate will be less. Technically that could be true, but there are so many variables, including how much Social Security you're going to collect and whether you have a pension or not. If you have a large required minimum distribution, we call them RMDs, after you turn 72, then that distribution, which the government requires, could put you in a higher bracket as well. Your financial plan should address any tax implications of your projected retirement income. Let's end today's salt journey with the prettiest one, Himalayan pink salt. I do like pink. I grew up with heart disease in my family and thought that salt was always an unwelcome guest. Now that I've gotten to know Himalayan pink salt, I've changed my perspective. This beautiful salt contains more than 80 minerals and elements, including potassium, iron, and calcium, and can help our body detox and remove bacteria. Switching from table salt to Himalayan can help your body balance electrolytes and, drumroll, actually help lower your blood pressure. That's amazing. Thanks for joining us as we debunk financial myths and reveal the mysteries of different types of salt. If you enjoyed this video and would like to discuss bringing food and finance to your workplace, please go to our website, foodandfinancewithshelley.com, and go to Contact Us and let us know. We would love to talk to you further about that. Take care, enjoy your seasoning. We'll see you again soon.